Partex Star Group is one of the largest private sector enterprise in Bangladesh, started in 1962. As a lot of us knows that when we do business applications running from a local data center or our own data centers, lots of cases, it requires reinvestment every 4 or 5 years. So that's where we have seen the challenge. Considering those, we started thinking that moving to the cloud probably is actually the future of us, because most of the company we run is manufacturing-based company, and the next survival thing will be actually adopting Industry 4 using IoT in our factories, making sure the machines language are talking to the applications, make sure the infrastructure support is there, and make sure it runs by its own rather than connected to a local data center. Thinking of those as IT strategy, management has decided that we can actually put our critical business application into Oracle OCI, which is Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. So when actually we moved to OCI, we realized that there is almost zero maintenance needed from our end. And we actually released those people who actually were busy with maintenance of system, application, network. They are more focusing on giving business solutions to the people. And lots of investment also are redirecting for the development of the users. So that's right away we have seen some benefits. So when we actually decided to move and actually started testing, we realized that not only the OCI has come up with newest technology with the most secure system, but its elasticity and flexibility is something that is actually a key success factor, that we can actually expand our file server, we can expand or add more computing power just by making a phone call or email. While we are moving towards meeting our IT roadmap and strategy, Oracle is helping us in a different aspect, which is called Customer Success Manager. So the projects we are doing, they're really focusing on our success because it's a flagship project for both. So Customer Success team and the management actually really went extra mile, not only by providing technical people at site, but also they've brought in subject matter expert from Oracle EBS, they brought in the network people on-site and off-site, and as a partner, we did an excellent job and make them unique from other cloud service provider. That is not only just cloud and you do your own, but this actually was very hand-hold service that we received and achieved our goals.